When you're parsing logs, what you may find is certain logs have a great deal of information in them, but you don't actually need most of it, you just need to retain some of it. And this is why we have the JSON Stringify rule. So what JSON Stringify will do is it will allow you to actually not interpret a collection of JSON as a JSON object, instead interpret it as a string. This will limit the number of fields that are being indexed, and that will lower your overall burden on the Coralogix account, make it easier, queries will run faster, you're not cluttering your workspace. So I'll give you an example of this in action. We can see here that we have a Stringify JSON field because we have this field called useridentity.sessionContext. Now for some reason we're not interested in this. There are some things to note here. You simply select the session context field, and you have this option here of keep or delete. If you keep the original source field, you keep session context, but you also generate a session context string. It's very common to set this to delete because the whole point is to hide the indexed information. And so you create this field, session context _ str. You can call it whatever you like, by the way. So how does this look in practice? It looks a bit like this. So we can see the mode was set to delete, so there is no session context field anymore, but there is this session context str, and it's all one big field. It's all interpreted as one big field there. This is a really, really powerful way of maximizing, of making sure that you only index the fields that you definitely, absolutely need.